Okay, we are at question number 2, 9.1i. In the diagram on the right, this diagram, O is the origin and PQRS is a trapezium where PS and QR are parallel. PS and QR are parallel, so we have to label that they are parallel. The straight line RS is parallel to the y-axis. Okay, RS is parallel to the y-axis. And point Q and S are on the x-axis. Alright, so I take note of the last info. Whenever a point is on the x-axis, the value of y is always 0. The q is also, the y of for q is always is also 0. And okay, so what is so important about that RS and P and this y-axis are parallel? So look at here. Let's say we have a point here. The point here will be 0, 0. Maybe if there is 1 here, so it's 0, 1. And look at here, this is negative 3, 8. So here is negative 3, 8 is here. So the point here will be 0, 8. If there is 10 here, the coordinate will be 0, 10. That is, the value of x is constant, is constantly 0. Right? So what is it? Is it related to the RS? Yes, related in what sense? That is, we have all the values of x here are constant. The value of x here is also constant. That is, they are the same. So right now R is given as -5, -10. So the value of x for S is also 5, 50. If there is here -1, so here will be 5, -1. So if I extend the line and then it will be parallel to this one, so here will be 5, 8. What is important about this line that is parallel to the y-axis? The value of x are constant. They are the same. Okay, so the answer for A, what is coordinate S? That is 5, 0. Okay. Now look at B. The equation of the straight line QR. Okay. First, you have to know equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c. Y mx plus c. So how do I get the gradient here? That is the value of m. Okay. So there is only one coordinate. So it is not possible to find the gradient for QR from the line QR. But QR is parallel to PS. PS parallel to QR. So what is important? M1 equals M2. They have the same gradient. If two lines are parallel, they have the same value of gradient. So look at PS. PS, we have coordinate of P, we have coordinate of S. So how to find gradient if you are given two coordinates? That is using formula M is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so which one is x1 or x2? That is not a problem. You have to decide. If you decide that this is x1, y1, So this is x2, y2. Okay, so it's better for you to label. So this is x2, y2. So y2, which is 8 minus 0, x2, negative 3 minus 5. So 8 minus 0 will be 8. Negative 3 minus 5 will be negative 8. So the gradient will be negative 1. So the equation, the question is asking for the equation of the straight line. So of QR. So the gradient here is negative 1. The gradient here is negative 1. If two lines are parallel, are they having the same equation? No, only same gradient. That is m1 equals m2, not the equation. So we have to find the C. We have to find the C. How to find C? You substitute the gradient and the coordinate on the line QR. So we cannot substitute with either P or S. We have to substitute either Q or R. Unfortunately, in this case, there is only R available. So M is negative 1 and the coordinate will be 5, negative 10. So 5, negative 10, you substitute in the y equal to m plus c. Negative 10 equals negative 1 times x plus c. Simplify, you get negative 5 plus c. C remains there, negative 5 move here. So 5 minus 10. So C will be negative 5. C negative 5 means this is the coordinate of negative 5. Because what is C? C is the y-intercept. The line touches the y-axis here at C. Okay? So the equation or the answer for B will be, therefore, y is negative 1x negative 5. Simplify is negative x negative 5. So that is the answer for the number 2B. And C, the x-intercept of the straight line QR. X-intercept. If this is y-intercept, this is the x-intercept. So x-intercept is, we do not know the x, what you know the y is 0. So since we already know the equation of QR, that is y equals negative x negative 5, I'm going to do C here. Okay, you just replace the value of y as 0 because any point on the x-axis, its y is 0. So just replace 0, negative x negative 5, and move negative x, it becomes x equals negative 5. So that is the value for the x-intercept. So the coordinate of Q is negative 5, 0. But to answer this question, what is the x or what is the x-intercept? So the answer is negative 5. So x-intercept is negative 5. So that is the answer for C.